In this video, I will be showing you a step-by-step tutorial on how to use TinyTask on Roblox. So stay with me and don't miss any step. Now without wasting time, let's get into the video. The old TinyTask download on tinytask.net is currently redirected to a broken GitHub page for many users. So I downloaded the latest version of TinyTask from the tinytask.com and verified that it's the expected 36 KB portable version and scanned it before using it on this tutorial. So go ahead, download it and install it if it's also not working for you from the official website. Okay, so in the next step, let me show you how TinyTask will be going to work in the Roblox. Now let me quickly open up and play any game to test TinyTask here. Now let's see how TinyTask works. Pull up the TinyTask, and if we go to record button here, now everything you have pressed on the keyboard will be recorded in the TinyTask. For example, if you jump, move, or perform any action here. Now let's see what is recorded. Let's stop the recording from the record button here, and then let's click on the play button to see what was recorded. You could see here it's literally performing the same step what we have recorded earlier. Now you might be thinking that what if we wanted to do the specific things? Well, let me go ahead and explain all of them for you. First, let's go ahead and have a look at the settings menu. If you go to preferences here, you have the play speed option here. If you increase play speed to 2x or play speed to 100x, it will be playing it 2 times faster or 100 times faster, whatever you have recorded. Or if you want to set a custom speed, you could come here and set your custom speed according to your requirement here. You could literally do as faster or slower you want. Now this setting is literally very important. Continuous playback. This tells TinyTask to keep replaying your recorded macro until you manually stop it. The next setting is set playback loop. You could choose infinite if you want the macro to run continuously or enter a specific number if you want it to stop after a certain number of repetition. Now the next quick setting I want to show you is save. If you want to save any recording, just go ahead, record it by pressing the record button. Once it's recorded, you could stop and click on the save button. This will give you an option to save it anywhere you want. Let me save it with the name save. Once saved, you could just go ahead and play it from the location where you have saved it. Now the last option I want to show you that makes life easier and quick. If you go to preferences and select recording hotkey, and here you could select the key for starting and stopping the recording for your keyboard. After that, you could set up playback hotkey as well and choose another key to stop or stop the playback. Using custom hotkeys make it much easier to control tiny tasks while you are working or playing. So that's it about today's video. We have seen a simple tiny task tutorial on how to use it in the Roblox. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.